Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox Studio not opening on your PC. First, click the search button below and then enter Run. Once you open the app, enter App Data, then click OK. In the App Data folder, open Local, then find the Roblox folder. After that, go to Versions folder. Next, open up the latest version, then run the Roblox Player Launcher. Wait for it to finish installing. Once done, go back in the Versions folder and then right-click on the Roblox Studio installer and select Run as Administrator. Once it is finished, then the Roblox Studio should now be working and can now be opened. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below and we'll see you on the next video.